Hey, it's Aran here. Welcome to another video in the series of the System.io introductory video series by .com Truths. I'm the founder, Aran Bukai, and today we're going to talk about extra costs and hidden fees, what you'll actually pay for beyond System.io subscription. So you might be on a free plan of System.io, you might be on a paid plan. Whichever one, there is some extra cost you just need to be aware of, and that's what we're going to cover today. So first of all, domain names, that's point number one. Now this is optional for hosting, but I would say it's essential for branding. So System.io gives you every account with a free subdomain. So for example, your name.system.io, or in my case, it might be, for example, eranbukai.system.io. But, and you'll have that regardless, that's for free. And a domain name basically means that you are going to replace this, so you don't have System.io in the title, and you have your own domain name. For example, my full name is aranbukai.com. So a domain typically costs $10 to $15 per year to register, and you can get it from GoDaddy, you can get it from HostGator, you can get it from Namecheap, Porkbun, etc. I strongly recommend doing that for looking professional and also building a real brand. But there's also a bigger reason as to why you want to use that and buy a domain name, and that is for email marketing, which is a more important reason for that. So let's talk about that, which is extra cost number two. So a custom email address is something you need when you are working online. The real reason a domain name matters is when you have a domain name like aranbukai.com, my name, or whatever name your personal name is, it lets you create a professional email address, which is, for example, contact@aranbukai.com or info@ or support@ or whatever. You cannot send email marketing through Gmail or Yahoo. So you might have a Gmail email address or Yahoo or iCloud. You cannot do email marketing with those emails. To send emails from System.io marketing automations, you need to send email using your own domain name, meaning you need an email address like this to be able to use the email marketing features of System.io. And so a domain name and the email, they go hand in hand, and you really need both. Now, I recommend you buy your professional email address from Google Workspace to set that up. Now, why does this matter? And why you cannot skip email marketing? So even one automated email still counts. For example, example of what is an automated email. So when somebody makes a purchase from you, you make a sale, you want to thank them for their email or for their purchase. You know, they've given you money. You want to say, thank you so much for your purchase. Love to connect you more personal level. Here's my Instagram. Here's my YouTube. Let's connect. Maybe book a call, reply, let me know you received it. What did you think? Do you have any feedback? If you want to automate that process, you need a professional email address. Now, this single message that you may do, or that single email you may do after somebody makes a purchase, that is a reason to do email marketing. And to do that, you need a custom domain name and a professional email address. And so if you sell anything online, that part is really not optional. Now, there is other reasons why you would have a professional email address, and that is, I'll give you some examples. First one is cart abandonment recovery. So when customers actually go to your checkout page to enter their credit card details, they might leave before actually making the purchase. And so you want to basically capture their email and then follow up and set up an automated follow up to see, hey, did you forget? Did you get distracted? Did you want a coupon code? Whatever. And so you can automate that with System.io, and you need a professional email just for that. That's where the recovery emails are going to go from. So recovering just one or two sales a month is going to pay for your domain name and your email address times over, basically. Next use case is sending an email weekly newsletter or monthly or bi-weekly or whatever. And when somebody subscribes to your email list, they're going to forget about you unless you stay on top of mind and email them on a regular basis. And so a weekly email newsletter keeps your audience engaged between whatever launch you're doing. It is the easiest, simplest way to build trust and stay top of mind. And also, when you're sending a broadcast from System.io, it's not a one-off email. It's not a one-off email to that one person. You can have an email list of 500, 220, 20,000, doesn't really matter. But sending that broadcast is something you can do from System.io. And again, you're going to need a custom domain and a professional email address to do that. The next use case is a welcome email sequence. So after somebody signs up to your email list, typically they receive the free gift, some sort of a lead magnet, maybe a free PDF, a free ebook, a free video, a video series, whatever. And so they're going to receive that, but then you want to have some sort of an automated follow-up over the next few days where you introduce yourself, share some testimonials, who you are, what you do, how you serve. And so to send that sequence of emails, which the whole thing is automated, you need that professional email address. And also to deliver the lead magnet and introduce who you are, again, you're gonna need to do that. And to do that, you need the professional email address. Now you can give them the video and the lead magnet instantly without sending it through email, but chances are you will get fake email addresses in some cases, and also people get distracted or don't have time. So sending that email to follow up is an important piece. And also it helps to build trust and a connection before you make an offer. So again, this another automation that needs to be sent from your own domain email address. Now, additional software that are nice to have and are optional, but System.io actually has that, is the calendar software. So if you want to have people book a call with you, then System.io has an inbuilt calendar software. And also, if you're using Google Workspace actually provides you with a calendar feature as well. So you just need to be aware of that. You kind of kill two birds with one stone. But System.io does have that inbuilt. Now, if you want a little bit more functionality, you can use TidyCal, which is only $39 one-time payment. And it's something that definitely I recommend people to use. But System.io does have that inbuilt, and also Google Workspace has that inbuilt. The second thing is a community software. For some people, the community feature that System.io provides is good enough. Personally, I use School to run my community, and that's just for personal reasons. And I have a blog post explaining all that. You can comment the word School if you want to read more about that. I'm not going to cover that in this video. But System.io does have a community feature. And yeah, so that's that. So let's recap on the real costs. So a domain name, give or take $12 a year, $20 a year, whatever. If you buy a premium domain name, it's going to cost more, but typically most domain names are going to cost $12 a year, give or take, $15 a year, $20 a year, something like that. Google Workspace, give or take $7 per user. So if you were to do the math, give or take $8 to $10 per month to have both. Now, to get this set up, I recommend you buy your domain name from Namecheap. So around.link/Namecheap, that's where you would go. And also, if you buy the domain name from Google Workspace, please use my affiliate link, around.link/Google Workspace. I pretty much make peanuts on this, but I may get a small commission potentially if you use my affiliate link. So if you found this video helpful, I'd appreciate if you do that. In the next video, I'm going to cover email marketing. We talked about that automated sequence. We talked about email broadcast. So that's newsletters, campaigns. I'm going to talk a little bit about the differences and the different places where you would use email marketing inside System.io and start talking about those specific features. So if you found this video helpful, please comment the word value, and I'll see you in the next video, which we're going to talk about email marketing, newsletters versus campaigns. Thanks for watching. Speak to you soon. Cheers.